Hello, everyone. This is a test to check how well you understand safe driving at intersections. It's simple but really valuable, especially for beginner drivers. So, here's the task. Which car should pass through the intersection first? Choose the correct option. A, blue, red, yellow. B, red, yellow, blue. C, blue, yellow, red. D, yellow, blue, red. Pause the video and write your answer in the comments. At the end of the video, you'll find out if you were right. I'll start a 10-second timer. Take a moment to think it through. All right, I hope you've made your choice. Let's break it down. In the picture, we see three cars approaching a four-way intersection. The red car wants to turn left. The yellow car is going straight. The blue car is also going straight. To solve this, the first step is identifying what type of intersection it is. There are two types, controlled and uncontrolled. This one is uncontrolled because there are no traffic lights or signs. At an uncontrolled four-way intersection, the rule is simple. Yield to the vehicle on your right. That means the yellow car goes first. It has no one to its right. Then the blue car goes. The yellow car is passed, and there's no one to its right. Finally, the red car turns left. There's no oncoming traffic, and its right side is clear. So the correct answer is D, yellow, blue, red. Congratulations if you got it right. To make things a little more interesting, I've changed the car colors and their positions, but the situation is exactly the same. Take another look and see if you can figure it out again on your own. Write your answer in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more simplified animations and easy driving tips for beginner drivers.